I'm Myrna Haong. I have 5 children, but single mom. I come here because I need a job. I need a money. Because in Philippines, I have a job but a little bit money. And also I have no husband to help me to feed my children. Only in the Philippines, not enough money. That's why I come to Taiwan. Maybe before, maybe surgery, so many surgery before. Not so easy to take care because it's you can see maybe if you love your job, not so hard. But if you didn't love your job, so hard to take care. Before, I want to go home, but there's COVID-19, so I didn't go home. When my mother died, I go home. My younger daughter, before I go here in Taiwan, she is only 3 years old. When I come back, 9 years old. When she see me, she only see me. I tell him, hey, why are you see with me? I'm your mother. She's because she always in my sister. She's always in my sister.
She decided to go to Taiwan around 2016. She and her husband have some family issue, like with their relationship. If you can see the situation, like the everyday situation of the family, it's no longer healthy, especially for the children. It's really not healthy seeing them like fighting every now and then, screaming, shouting at each other. So we are happy as well as sad at the same time, since that time is the first time that she'll be away from us.
Hindi ko po naalala kung ilang taon ako noon, pero ang pagkakaalam lang namin noon, bibili na siya ng pagkain. Pero pinasakay niya na kami ng taxi, tapos umuwi na kami, hindi na siya sumunod sa amin.
Hindi ko na po naalala, pero feel ko po, na-miss ko po si Mama. Feel ko po, umiyak din po ako nung pag-alis ni Mama.
Ako yung first time ko nalaman, excited kasi makikita ko ang mama ko. Kaya matagal na rin yung last kami nagkita. Tapos miss ko na rin siya. Gusto ko makita anong kalagayan niya doon.
Happy pa ako kasi makita ko si mama ko po. Tapos happy din po ako kasi nakapunta ako doon. And magkasama kami kahit sandali lang po.
She tell me, Mina, we'll go to Taipei. What? You win? Oh, I'm happy. I can go Taipei. That is my, I can go Taipei. Yes, I see the president. It's only like that, oh. Para puhon, makahuman mo, makakuha mo og maayong trabaho. Kung maminyo mo, makahatag mo og maayong kaugmaon sa inyong mga anak.